see, this one has a flat side and two cutouts, and this one has some sort too. So we have to align this one like that, and goes on like that. It's a bit tricky, as this one is like this, needs to be more like this. Now this one is really in the way, really. But guys, we have to be patient. Think, no. No. Hey, yes. Hopefully, wait, with my screws, then carefully, not to drop it off, in there, rotate a bit. This seems to be all right. Yes, just for a moment, as there was a washer behind it, remember, so hopefully, wait a minute, is the postman. Oh, okay. Now I'm gonna put the bike on ignition and see if the N from neutral pops up. And yes, there is an N from neutral, guys. And one down is first gear. Yep, first gear, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay. Second, and this is, I got it out. Top. Let's see. Then, guys, I'm gonna loosen this one just a tiny bit, as I want to put Loctite onto it. But if I get that one out, then need to get that one out of the way first. So first thing we're gonna do is get this one out of the way too. Okay. Yes. Tip from the old mechanic. That screw over there, if it falls off, it's behind your chain. So I don't want that to happen. So what I'm gonna do is take my grease and sort of glue it on top of it. So now it's hangs a bit better. Then I take Loctite medium strength. Okay. Okay. And now this one goes up and then carefully Yes. Oh, yes. One. Then his brother out. That one we can take. And we're gonna do the same. Suppose that one drops. Don't want to have that happen. Nope. Okay. Now, hop, hop, hop. Loctite. No, like this. Oh, put it in. Yes. Okay. Yep. Then, oh, sorry. A bit of paper. Clean it a bit. So. Yes. No. Gonna tight that. Not too tight. Okay. Then, guys, now we're gonna take tire wraps and get it really out of the way of the chain, because that was the problem. Let's see, this one I'm gonna put onto there. Yes. Maybe better first get the cap on. Maybe better, yeah. That was first this stinky thing. Yep. Now guys, then we have to put this one back, and that has to go whoop, 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 like this. Yes, easy as Dell. Okay, have to get some of that filthy stuff out. Over here, see, hop, over there. Always grease with sand. That's the core-base chain grease. And flying off, that's also a core business. Chain grease. So lucky I have a shaft drive. Oh, God, it's filthy stuff. If you get it underneath your shoes and you walk into the house, well, the lady of the house doesn't like that. Sure. Better than it was before. Now, as you look over here, we have this, yeah, what is it, rail thing? That cable goes into there and into there. Wait a minute, this one. See? So, let's see how easy that is. No, this is just going well. Okay, D handy, and be sure not to pinch it. Okay, then carefully. Yep. No, actually, wasn't that difficult. And then push it underneath here. Yep. Whoa, easy, easy as Dell. Over there. Okay, then one over there. Huh? Okay. Then. Okay. Yep. Nice. There. There. And there. Okay. Now. Okay. Tight. Tight. Okay. Up tight. And this one. Up. Okay. Behind there was this washer. Okay. But first, this was with high strength Loctite. So I'm going to use the green stuff, because I'm sure BMW doesn't want you to lose that one. Now, this one behind, this one into the okay, wait a minute, it's now pinched, that rubber cap, but wait a minute, I'm gonna first, yep, then yes, kijk, now it's good. Okay. Okay. Up. Nice. Then that wonderful rubber. Gonna give it a smear grease as usual. I'm the grease guy. Up. Yes. Maybe. And then it slides over easy as well. I think. Now, come up. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now guys, we're gonna put the bike on ignition. See? Neutral. Then we open the MOTOSCAN app. We do first adapter check. Even kijken, Unicar scan present. Okay. Okay. Although it is the Unicar scan 2100, it says the 2000. So, don't know why, but 3 S's is always good. Then we go to the S series. Yep, this is a K47 S1000R. We go to the engine electronics, and then we say live data. And now you see there are only 3. Watch, play. But you have to press on add parameters. So first we're going to pause this one. Then we say add parameters. 3 of only 38 are selected. So let's say battery voltage, very interesting. Ignition timing, ABS switch, tilted position, maybe, and the gear lever position. Motor, emergency, oil, side status, starter switch, oxygen, fuel pump, and the van. And let's see if there is more. Okay. Yep. Then we go back. See? And now, if we say play, it's in neutral. Now, then first gear, okay. Then we go second gear, yes. Third gear, wait a minute, 1, 2, op, third gear. Fourth gear, fifth gear, and sixth gear. Okay, now. So, now, then we go back, and then we say readout fault memory, trouble codes, 2 trouble codes are found, and we can delete them. Clear the trouble codes. Okay. We are okay now. Then we say read memory, no trouble codes found. Yes. Now guys, then we go back and we close the MOTOSCAN app. Goodbye.